What is up, guys? So she is way too low. You can see it tucked. It looks really good, but once you exit the garage right here where it slants down, it scrapes the muffler or something. But let's put these things out there to at least not scrape on the curb. That was a workout, but we're headed to Parts Score next to get it raised just a tiny bit. So see you guys there. Just got finished with Parts Score, resetting TPMS. The rear was lowered a little bit more than the front just to make it that even look. And then I also got a lead right here on some Kratos. They're pretty much refreshed, brand new now. 6750. What do you guys think? Should I do Kratos on the CS or what should I do? Comment down below what mods you guys want to see next. And thank you for watching this short video, just updating you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.